I'm presenting number 32 from homework assignment number 12. In this problem, we are flying on EconoJet Airlines, and people are randomly assigned seats. The seats are numbered by row from 1 to 40, and in each row by A, B, C, or D. So I made this chart to kind of represent each of the groups of rows. So the last 10 rows each have seats A, B, C, and D in them. And the plane is boarded from the rear, which is why this is the first group from 31 to 40, rows 31 to 40. And we want to know what the probability is that you will be the first in that first group to board the plane, and also the probability that you will get a window seat. So the total number of seats on the plane would be 40 rows at 4 seats across, so we have 160 seats on the plane. To figure out the probability that you will be in the first group to board the plane, you can look at that two different ways. You can look at how many seats there are in the first group, which is 10 rows with 4 seats each, which gives us 40 seats. And then the total number of seats signed on the plane is 160, which would give us a 1 out of 4 chance that we'll be in the first group. You can also look at that in terms of the groups. There are 4 groups, and we want to know what the chances are that we'll be in this first group. So that would also be 1 out of 4, or a 25% chance. To find the probability that you will get a window seat, we would need to know the total number of window seats. And since the problem said there is 1 window seat in each row, and there are 40 rows, that means we will have 40 window seats total. So the probability that you get assigned to a window seat is 40 out of 160, or 1 out of 4, or 25% also. If we wanted to know what the probability of being in the first group and getting a window seat would be, then we would multiply the two probabilities above to find our chance of both happening, and that would be 1 out of 16 chance that we would be, or 6.25% chance that we would be picked in the first group and get a window seat. Thanks for watching.